Hi boys and girls, it's once again the moment of truth. Today we're going to grade the PARCC Practice Test 5 and let's get started. So first things first, you've got your name at the top. You're grading your own today and you need to make yourself a fraction over here so that you can score the number that you got correct. You might think this is weird because this first one was worth 5 points and the second one was worth 2 points. 5 plus 2 is 7. So my denominator should be the total amount possible, 7. But the reason it's 6 is because part B down here was a dud question that was a mistake. You might have found this when you were doing it. So we're not even going to count that. So you've only got a possibility of 6 points here. So make your fraction. You're going to discover how many out of 6 you got. Make your fraction, and here we go. Number 1, let's figure out each of these equations. So 9 times 9 equals 81. 56 divided by 8 equals 7. 5 times 6 is 30. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 63 divided by 7 is 9. Count up your points here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then right over here you can write how many points you got. I think I'll put that in green since I'm scoring everything in green here. Oops, I didn't get 6, I got 5. Okay, so I got 5 points for this one. And then go on and scroll down. If you need to stop a minute and count, stop the movie a minute. Count your points up. Scroll down to part 2. This one said it was worth 2 points, but I'm changing it right now. It's only going to be worth 1 point because we're not even going to score part 2. It was a dud. All right, so here we go. We've got a package delivery chart here, and this was very, very tricky. You had to really look closely at this one. So what does it say? I always like to look at the title first, which is package delivery. The little blurb at the top says Mr. Conley delivers packages. The bar graph shows the total number of packages he delivered on 5 days last week. And when I glance at it, I see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My days are here on the x-axis. My number of packages are going up the y-axis. I can see they're counting by 50s, and it all looks pretty good until I look a little closer. And I do that when I figure out the question. So let's read the question. A says, what is the total number of packages Mr. Conley delivered on Monday and Tuesday? Monday and Tuesday tells me I have to add Monday plus Tuesday. So let's see. I'm going to add them right here, and let's give ourselves some more room so that we can actually do the math right here. Okay, let's see what we got. So how many packages on Monday? Let's see. Oh gosh, it's not 200, and I don't know how many past 200 it is. How did you figure out how much each of these lines was worth so that you could calculate exactly how many packages he had on Monday? How did you figure that? I think I'm going to go back to the beginning and notice that there's between every section there's 50. Oh look, and I'm just going to try some different things. I'm going to try counting each line counting by 10. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. My first try was a good guess. I might have tried 5 and been wrong, but I guessed that maybe each line would stand for 10, and I was right. So if each line stands for 10, I know on Monday he had 200 plus 10, 20. All right, Monday he had, let's get green here, he had 220 on Monday. All right. Let's move him over a little bit so we can put a plus sign in there. And what did he have on Tuesday? Let's count it. See, Tuesday he had more than 100 but less than 150. So let's count from the 100 line. I'm going, whoops, 110, 20, 30. 130. 130. Okay. Go down below that and add it up. So 0 plus 0 is 0. I'm going to go add up my 10s. 2 plus 3 is 5. I'm going to go add up my hundreds. 2 plus 1 is 3. I got an answer of 3 150. Here's my choice right here, 350. X it up. That is worth 1 point. And so now I've got a total of 5 plus 1, 6 points for a total score of 6. Hey, starting next week, we're going to start keeping track of these, and we're going to start keeping track of how many of these we get right. It's going to be rare that somebody gets both of them right every single step. If you do, big pat on the back, but we're going to start keeping track of, did you get one of them right? Or did you get both of them right? And I'm going to have you keep track on a chart so we can make a graph. So heads up, that's what we're looking forward to next week. Mark your score right here, turn it into the basket, and boom, you are done. Bye.